Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix system UI is not responding error on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just force restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release both of these buttons and your smartphone will start restarting. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to Apps. Now, just tap on the three dots and enable Show System Apps. Now, in the search bar, just search System UI. Now, just tap on System UI, then go to Storage. Now, just select Clear Cache. Now, once you've done that, just go back and in the search bar, just search Google Play Services. Now just tap on Google Play Services, then go to Storage, and from here just select Clear Cache. Now after that, just go to your home screen and clear the cache partition on your smartphone. Now to do that, let's connect one end of our charging cable to our smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Now after that, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And do not release the power button in this process. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered to the recovery mode. Now from here, just press the volume down button to navigate this screen, just like that, and select Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and select Yes, and press the power button to confirm Yes. Now as you can see, we have successfully cleared the cache partition on our smartphone. Now just press the power button to reboot system now. Now it will take a few seconds for the smartphone to restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if all these tips did not work, just set your wallpaper to the default wallpaper. Now in many cases this problem appears when we set a custom wallpaper like a live wallpaper or a dynamic wallpaper on our smartphone. Now to fix this issue, just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen, then select Wallpaper. Now just select Change Wallpaper, and from here just select any of the default wallpapers and tap on Apply or Done. And this is how you can fix the system UI is not responding error on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.